everyone, I hope you are all are fine. Today we will talk about CorelDRAW graphic suite 2018 we have with patched file. Here you can see patched file setup. So we go to setup and see what gonna happen. Setup, click on setup, open, setup. Do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Yes. Here we go. Initializing the setup. Let's see if it gonna restart or anything else, so no need to worry. Custom installation, CorelDRAW. We need CorelDRAW. If you need Corel Photo Paint, then you can select, otherwise unselect from here. Corel Connect, Corel Capture and Corel Font Manager. Corel Capture if you want, then Corel Connect. Here is some files, it's gonna be installed, so choose the programs that you want to install. Next, it's by default tick, so next, install now. Let's see what gonna happen. If there is any restart and any blank screen, any black screen, so you no need to worry, you just have to be patient and be wait till it's get installed. You can see it's installing. Here you can see installing, please wait. Before I told that the speed is depend on your laptop machine, on your, if it's old devices then it will take time, if it's new device then it's not gonna take much time in installation. I will suggest you and I will prefer you to download the CorelDRAW that have pre-activated and other softwares and also other apps you want to download. You always try to download the pre-activated softwares, so you no need to register them and active them, but some softwares are not available. I am not gonna share any link about this CorelDRAW pack because sometimes the link get expired. So if you want same files, then you can comment me, I will mail you, I will attach you in email, I will send you via email, so you can get exact my CorelDRAW graphic suite 2018 if you want. And if you can get download from any other version from internet, then you can install them too. I will suggest you the pre-activated version. So after this installation, I will tell you how can you activate this, how can we patch this, and how can we use this full version. I like graphic suite, CorelDRAW graphic suite 2018 because I am working on it. This is suitable for me, so that's why I am installing CorelDRAW graphic suite 2018 for my personal use. There is also new version like 2020, 2021, but this one is best for me, so I thought I will share this with you. If it's help you, so I am just here to help you all. If you have any queries, any questions, you can ask me in comment box. anytime. If you want same setup, you can mail in comment box email ID. I will mail you same files. It's gonna install. Before I tell you many times that speed of installation is depend on our laptop, our PC, our computer generations, or RAM or processor. Machine is old or new. For old devices it's gonna take time, and if it's more older device, then you can install the older versions of CorelDRAW. I will suggest you to install older versions if you have very old devices. So you will not face any lag, any hangs of laptop and computer. 73%, 75. I hope it's gonna complete soon. Yes, it's done. You can see. Ignore this. Yes, here we go. CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2018. If it's asking for account, but we don't have any account, so what we gonna do? Just ignore it and close it. So here we go. Here are all the files. So let's have a look if it's work or not. CorelDRAW 2018, open. Here we go. CorelDRAW loading application, initializing user interface. But again, you can see it's asking for account, but we don't have any account, and we don't want to register. We can't purchase it. So here you can see it's asking for purchased here, this. So again, just close this dialog box. Yes, and we will go for patch file. What we're gonna do here, always save your patch files in RAR and zip file. So here is patch file. Here we go. Read before install. You can see go to patch folder, copy the file in the following path. This here we have to copy paste them. Program files, Corel PASM utility v1. Copy. C drive, program files, Corel. Here PASM utility v1. Paste here. Replace the file in the destination. Continue. Here we go. So we will check again if it's gonna work. CorelDRAW 2018. Yes, I hope it's gonna work, and we got the full version, and we no need to buy it. I install it in front of you for help you. Here you can see evolution version, CorelDRAW 2018 64-bit. It you no need to worry, it have all options. Get started. Here 0 days left, but it gonna work for lifetime. New document, sizes for dialog box if you want to change any. Okay, so here we go. You can see all options are working here. Save, import, export, here color box, here all functions are working and activated. So here we go. I hope it will help you. You can download it by yourself from internet to pre-activated version. I will suggest you, but if you want to same, you can ask me in comment box. I will attach via email, so no need to worry. Take care and bye. Hope it will help you for you guys.